Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 work from home positions that are urgently hiring, meaning they are starting immediately. These positions range from $18 to $55 an hour. So let's jump right into it. The first position is with a business called Bold Business, and their website is boldbusiness.com, and they are looking for a data entry agent. As a data entry agent, you will be joining their data enrichment team to support the data enrichment tasks for their clients. You'll be held to a high quality of work standard and will be a contributor to the quality control process. What will you do? You'll be responsible for reviewing and completing enrichment tasks as defined and trained by the client. So they offer training. Primary work will be application data entry, vendor resource verifications, board certifications, and following up with various state boards for statuses. And you'll also be responsible for timely and quality execution of tasks. It's a full-time, 100% remote position where you will work from home. You'll have clear goals and training resources you need to deliver. How you execute and deliver is up to you. Qualifications: excellent written and verbal communication skills. Available 40 hours per week, starting immediately. Experience in outbound and inbound call center, inside sales experience, or related sales or customer service experience is a plus, not required. Adaptable and flexible, demonstrating abilities to work with process and information changes, the ability to work independently or as an active member of a team. You can support a work from home setup, have a stable internet connection, and be computer savvy. This position does not have the salary written on it, but I did some digging and it's $18 an hour. The second position is with Bold Business as well. And again, their website is boldbusiness.com, and they are looking for a customer service representative. We are seeking a customer service representative who is enthusiastic about working remotely. It's 100% remote. In this role, you will be responsible for handling both inbound and outbound calls to resolve inquiries. So let's scroll down. As a CSR, you will be part of our data enrichment team. You must excel in being confident and effective on the phone when addressing customer concerns and gathering information. To succeed in this role, you should be capable of working under pressure, managing stress, following directions, and meeting the team quota. So here are the responsibilities: manage inbound, outbound calls in a professional manner, assist customers with product information, order processing, and issue resolution, provide customers with accurate products, services, and company policy, handle and resolve customer complaints, feedback, and issues with empathy and patience, document customer interactions and transactions in the CRM system, engage in training and development to enhance customer service skills. Okay, the qualifications for this position is you must be fluent in English, available 40 hours per week starting immediately, have experience in an outbound call center, inside sales experience, or related sales experience. So they're very flexible on the experience. Be adaptable and flexible, demonstrating abilities to work with process and information changes, and the ability to work independently or as an active member of a team. So these qualifications are pretty simple, and basically there are no minimum requirements, which is always great. They don't have the pay listed on this position, but I did some digging, and this one is $18 an hour as well. Okay, the third and final position is with Bold Business as well, and the website again is boldbusiness.com. They're looking for a BPO quality assurance agent. This is remote, full-time, and entry level. They are seeking a highly motivated and quantitative-oriented quality assurance agent to join their growing BPO team. In this role, you'll play a critical role in ensuring the quality of customer interactions within the company. You'll be the voice of the customer, meticulously evaluating agent interactions across various channels, calls, emails, chats, to ensure they meet high standards and client-specific requirements. These positions like this are fun because basically you're just reviewing interactions. They're very easy, very independent, and a lot of autonomy with these positions. Let's scroll down. Bold Business is a US based leading global business processing outsourcing firm with over 25 years experience and 7 billion plus in client engagements. We enable small and publicly traded businesses to scale by providing global outsourcing talent services. So your key responsibilities, monitor and evaluate interactions, provide feedback on those interactions, identify areas of improvement, maintain quality standards in data entry and reporting. Very straightforward. These positions are very easy and they pay well. This is entry level. Qualifications: strong analytical and problem solving skills, excellent attention to detail and accuracy, effective communication skills, written and verbal. That's going to be key because you have to give feedback to employees who aren't doing well. So you have to be very good at that. Here it is right here: to provide clear and constructive feedback to agents. Proficient in computer skills, including Microsoft Office Suite products. Understanding customer service principles and best practices. Experience working in fast paced environments is a plus, not required. You can build up to that. And experience with various customer service channels, calls, emails, and chats is a plus, not required. So, again, they will provide training. Pay rate for this position is not included on the position, but I did do some digging and I found that this position pays $55.14 per hour.